Konnichiwa, hope everyone's good. So it's time for an EDC update, so I'll just get straight into it. Trying a little bit more minimalist this time, so I haven't got as much crap. So the phone is still the Huawei P-Type, I think it is. Basic one. Keys. About as simple as I can get them. Got the i1 EOS, or the i or 2, or the i1 or 2 EOS Olight flashlight, Uncle Bill Silver grippers, and the Phoenix NW20 whistle, and the titanium belt loop thing, carabiner belt loop thing, whatever. Put it on a belt loop and just tuck it into the pocket. Got the Kubotan Olight S2 Orbiton. Had it lying around for a long time, so figured I'd use it instead of letting it gather dust. Snow Peak bandana. Changing to Maxpedition, I think it's the Urban wallet, it's the bifold with a little mod for attaching a lanyard so I don't lose it. And inside of here, all I've got is seal needle, some water purification tablets, and some band-aids, and silver coin, and that's it. No little survival kits or anything in it now. Still got the Casio G-Shock GA100MC, and I got a brand new knife which I just got today. Still using the old homemade pocket pouch for it though. Having wanted a brass Eagle Nakomi for a few years now and just got one. Don't know why it took us so long. So that's the new Eagle Nakomi, blue paper steel, brass handle. About as simple as you can get. Folded handle around a blade. One of the reasons why I like them. Simple, lightweight, doesn't take up any real space. And that is my EDC for this month. Bags haven't changed, so I'll not bother showing them. So thanks for watching. Auf Wiedersehen, Nasrania. Matinee. Bye bye.